Optimistic about making progress today. Got a lot to finish up. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. All right, moving right along. Got all this junk up. Gonna attack it real good. Put another layer of fabric down. Get some dirt from over there. Bring it over here. Level this out. Bring it up some. It's gonna look nice. A lot better than what it is. Spray some weed killer. Rose bushes. Great as always. Showing you a different angle. So I'm gonna put the dirt right along there. Get it from over here. You know what? I should have put the dirt over by the mulch. It would have made more sense. Would have been a lot easier. You can always find dirt, especially if you have a wheelbarrow. You don't have to always run to the store to buy topsoil. Easy for me to say now, right? But yeah, it's true. Okay, so I'll use some of the old fabric, just a little bit, along here. Oh yeah, just keep it. Why not? And just add to it. You can do that. Don't be so quick to throw stuff out. Trust me. Ran into a little wall here. It seems like my edger shrunk somehow. I know this went all the way to the gate. What's going on now? I don't know what to do. Well, I have to do something. I'll figure it out. Maybe add a piece. Had this problem last year on the other side. Okay, time to add the weed killer. The weeds just made the marble chip bed area look horrible. So we want to eliminate that. And you can't stop weeds completely, but give it your best shot, that's all. All right, enough of that. Plenty of weed killer. Got some marble chips in this bucket, been picking them up. Let's wrap it up. Move on to the next phase. I don't know what I'd do without this little cart. If you guys opt to buy marble chips, ask for help in the store. You might not get it though, if you know what I mean. For future reference, buy a back brace just in case. You might need it. I was supposed to spray the old marble chips, but since I had a bunch of bags in the garage, why not? Putting some mulch down now, getting the area together. You can see the difference already. Oh yeah, it's coming together. Put the chair back. Now look at those rose bushes with this black mulch. Man, it looks great. Very happy. Let's wrap it up. Well, what do we have here? Got the new seating set. Old, but new, if you know what I mean. And from a different angle. Don't forget my cooler. It's great. Over by the fence, however, it's a disaster. I have to figure something out. I have something in mind, so I'll take care of it. But oh yeah, this looks good. I have to clear this area. Lilies and white plants. Just looks like a jungle. Shouldn't have put the dirt over here. Lesson learned. Wait a minute. Where's my fountain? It's not where it's supposed to be. So I'll bring the fountain out, put it back in its spot, and I'll keep working. But that fountain has to come out. That's where it goes. This other stuff is coming along. I'll get this together. Look at the fence, though. Look at this fence. Okay, that's enough. Not trying to brag. But yeah, I'll get to this and clear it up. Got my design in mind. We'll see. To make it easier on me, I'll wet this area before I start digging. Well, you know what? Why don't I just get the trimmer and cut some of this down before I do any digging? Then I'll wet it. That'll make more sense. Oh yeah, because it doesn't make sense to wet it then cut it. So I'll do that. I'll trim it first. So if I'm doing any edging or trimming, you know what that means. It's time to bring out the Works Edge or Trimmer. Love this thing. Don't leave home without it. All right, little progress, a lot better. See what I have to do now. All right, this looks about done. Looks better. All right, let's come back over here. I know you're tired of those rose bushes. Let's look at them again. All right, all right. One more time, that's it. All right, that's it. Back over here. This minor cleanup is really helping me move things along. Now I can visualize what I need to do a whole lot better. Looks great. Call off the National Guard. Everything's back to normal. Got the fountain out. It's up and running. Got to give it the thumbs up. Time to wet the surface. Again, I'm doing this so when I start digging, it'll be a lot easier. Less stress on my back, if you know what I mean. Looks good over this way, though. I'm still going. It's dark. I know what you're thinking. You usually stop in the other videos. Have a little more left in the tank. So I'll keep going. Trying to figure this out. And I think I'll curve it here. Start there, curve it there, loop around. Nice little design. Something like the front yard, I guess. It'll be real nice. It's gonna come along. Trust me on that. Anyway, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns, too. Bye.